Hello everyone, Ray from Off Highway Van here. Welcome to our next episode of Tech Tips on the Rixen heating system. The Rixen system allows you to have water in the van all 4 seasons and allows you to heat the van all 4 seasons. To turn on the system, you'll want to click the home screen. Once you hit the home screen, you'll power up the system and you'll see a set temp at the bottom of the screen. While pressing that set temp, you can toggle the temperature that you want to keep the van at. At the top of the set temp screen, you'll see a fan speed. This will control how fast the fan is going for the Rixen system. You can also enable fan speed to be automatic, so it'll go with the temperature of the van. Once you press OK on your set temp screen, it will bring you back to the home screen. On the left of the screen, you'll see your heat sources. First one to press is furnace. Furnace is great to use when you're off-grid and not plugged into shore power. This will give off the most amount of BTUs and highly recommended when you get into 10 below temperatures. The next heat source is electric. Electric's great when you're plugged into shore power outside your home or at a campground and you're in temperatures above 10 degrees. This will pull power off your batteries and not use any diesel in your van. While toggling through all your heat sources, you'll see a label on the bottom right called fluid temp. While it's in blue, it means that it's going to be in standby mode and still heating up. When it turns orange, it'll be active and it'll be in full heat mode. The last button on your Rixen controller will be a hot water button on the top right of your screen. This hot water button is pressed when you want on-demand hot water. In the wintertime, it is on demand as the glycol is going through your system. But in the summer, you're going to want to wait 10 to 15 minutes to heat the water and have the glycol system work. Make sure in the summertime that you have your set temperature set to 40 degrees so that it doesn't kick on in the summer. For yearly maintenance, run the Rixen system 15 minutes a month, regardless if you use it or not. A yearly service on the system is also highly recommended. Thank you for tuning in to Tech Tips on our Rixen system.